So I'm going to be going over a couple of the best cryptocurrency apps for beginners to be using going in the rest of 2020 and beyond. Okay, so I've got eToro Crypto and Coinbase. I'm going to pull up my accounts on both these apps, then I'm going to kind of blow it up a little bit on the desktop versions. Now, if you guys do want to get started on either of these, definitely recommend it. I'll have some bonus and resource links in both the description and comments. And if you could smash the like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. Okay, so first off, eToro, I've only got $1,000 in there. I've been using that for the last couple of months. And then Coinbase, I've been using for like 6 or 7 years, built my account up to like 37 to 38,000. So it's been pretty crazy. Now, like I said, I want to blow things up a little bit here. I'm going to give some recommendations for coins. If you have any questions about, getting started in crypto, feel free to message me below in the comments as well. Okay, so here is my Coinbase account right now. I have had a crazy year for, crypto. I started the year at around like $2,000 and I've been able to grow my account to where it's at today. It's been insane. I really hope that I can grow this account to like 100,000. And, based on where I've gotten so far, I think I could definitely do it. But, Coinbase is used by so many people worldwide, over 30 million members. They've got 37 coins, I believe, that you can buy, sell, trade on here. And then, you can pull up different, prices based on what's going up for like, the week, the month, the year. You can pull up the different market caps for coins, different prices. You can also set up recurring deposits on here. I just think that, for usability's sake, especially if you're new in crypto, it's very easy to use Coinbase. And I think that's why, it's become so popular over the years, especially for, iOS users for sure. And yeah, I'm going to come back to Coinbase though, because I do want to talk about eToro as well. So eToro Crypto is really cool because it's a social trading app. For example, I'm going to pull up one of the coins I own on here, which is XRP. I also recommend checking this coin out. This isn't financial advice, but I do recommend XRP for sure. But, for example, when you click on a coin on here, you're going to be able to like chat with people. There's built-in communities on eToro Crypto. You can make friends with people. And I think that's probably like one of the biggest things about crypto, being involved with the community of whatever coin you own. That's like why it's fun. You know what I mean? That's the whole point. Obviously you want to make money too, but, just being able to, chat with people, make friends, that's what it's all about right there. But you can pull up different, graphs for coins on here. XRP starting to move up a little bit. I own a lot of this coin on a couple different places. Only $500 here on eToro, but, if you can get that coin in the 20-cent range, I think it's a good buy. And then I also own Tron. If you're getting Tron basically under 3 cents, I think it's a good long-term hold. Hopefully it pays off for me. This one was a little bit of a gamble for me, but we'll see what happens. I'm hoping that gets up to like 10 cents. But yeah, eToro Crypto is awesome, guys, especially if you're a beginner. Even if you're in crypto right now, I do recommend looking into them. I also recommend spreading your money out on different apps and exchanges. Don't put it all on just one. But Coinbase, 2 coins I would definitely recommend here. The first one's going to be the basic attention token. The reason I like this coin so much is because the price on it is so good right now. If you can get it in like under 25 cents and you're willing to hold on to it for a while, I think it's a really good one. And it's used with the Brave browser. Any of these crypto coins that have an actual use case are the ones that are going to be around. And Brave has been competing with Google Chrome, for the last few years, and other browsers, and they've been able to grow their user base. So I think as long as Brave, the browser, is growing its user base, the coin will go up in value over time. Another coin I really like here on Coinbase is going to be Orchid. This is a VPN-based cryptocurrency. It's the only VPN-based cryptocurrency out there, and obviously VPNs are becoming more of a necessity in the world today. It stands for virtual private networks for security and privacy reasons, whether you're on your phone or your computer. But, at its all-time high, this coin actually broke $1 recently. But if you can get this coin, basically under 50 cents, you're willing to hold on to it, I think it's going to go up quite a bit over time. So those are my recommendations for coins, guys. And like I said, it's been a great year for cryptocurrency for me, and I hope it continues. If you guys want to get started on either Coinbase or eToro Crypto, like I said, I'll have some bonus and resource links in both the description and comments. Please smash a like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.